Hey guys, and welcome back to part 3 of the dirt bike build. Let's get started. Now it's time to clean my gas tank. Make it all nice and clean. While I was cleaning the gas tank downstairs, I accidentally ripped the plasticking. I ripped the nozzle right off the tank itself, and so now I need to glue it back on. So I'm gonna do that really quick. So I just put the throttle linkage and the muffler on, and now all that is left is I need to fix the brakes. Maybe even, I think I need to find a new brake, but I have plenty of bikes in the back. I need to put the gas tank back on, but I can't because it's drying right now. I ripped it apart, so I had to glue it, and then put the plastics on, and I believe that's all I need to do. After doing a little bit of fidgeting with the brakes, I decided that for testing purposes, I'm not going to have brakes or a kickstand. The kickstand is not that big of a deal, but brakes, they're a different story. But I'm used to not having brakes and just using my shoes, so we'll see how it goes. So I decided to wait 2 days to let my gas tank glue dry instead of rushing it and having it not work. So it's definitely dry now. Like, I hope it doesn't break. But I am going to be reassembling it all and going for a test ride. Alright guys, so now is the big test. Let's do this. All of my toys love some nice orange juice. Now it's time to start this bad boy up.